In front of me is a Nokia XR20, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now, to get started, we'll need one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box, somewhere between the paperwork, but you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you got that, you want to pop out the SIM tray, which is located, looks like, on the top of the phone, right over here. So, put the pin in, push it in, put that aside so you can see it pop out. So as you can see, it slightly pops out and you can grab it, take it out, and on here you have space for either two different SIM cards. So you would place the second SIM on the SD tray sideways, but because I'm using one of each, I'm gonna move it over to its dedicated spot and then place the SD card right here. Now from here you want to insert it back into the device. Do it carefully, there's nothing really holding those cards in place, so they could just kind of fall out. And once you insert it in, see if it starts up. So the SIM card is already working, as you can see, enter SIM pin. So enter that, let's unlock the device. So the SIM card is working, and let's look for SD card, and there it just popped up. So SD card is working as well. No extra steps needed, just insert it and you're good to go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.